My grandpa raised me, and he taught me to do, everything you do it to the best of your ability. And I'm a firm believer in that, and I feel like what we're doing here actually matters. My name's Terry Kempf, and I'm a welder at the Structural Fabrication Division. We did the job for Deaconess for the gastrointestinal unit, and I mean, it's cool to see stuff that I've done and that other people I know have done to actually build a building to add on to a hospital. I like camping with my girlfriend and her parents. We go all over the place. I couldn't ask to work with a better group of guys, really. I mean, we really do have fun here. And on top of getting, having fun, you get stuff done. Welders in general, they're very passionate about their work, and firsthand, I can tell you that's true. When you get done and you look at a good weld, it makes you feel nice and tingly inside,